This is 3 months to December, 3 months to 2026, the biggest money season. Do you want to cash out this Christmas? This video is for you. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you business ideas, live streaming platforms, and apps that can actually help you cash out big time this season. Let's dive in without much wasting of your time. Imagine going into Christmas with millions in your account, not struggling to buy things, clothes, food stuff, and the rest of the things that you need during Christmas. It is very possible if you start now. Don't wait till December to rush, okay? So let's start now. Before I go into having physical businesses, if you are someone that don't want to have a physical business, if you are someone that totally depend on online businesses, okay, here are different platforms that can actually help you make money this season, okay. There are live streaming platforms and there are also video platforms. Number one is having a TikTok account, okay. So if you do not have a TikTok account, go and create one. And if you are just on TikTok and you're not making money on TikTok, you are wrong. I have a video that shows you like different ways, like about 7 ways you can make money on TikTok. And number one of it is by going live. The second one is by work with artists. The third one is by your video views, and different other ways. Okay, I have the detailed video on my channel. I will try and link it here. Having a TikTok account can actually help you make money online. Then the second one is having a YouTube channel. Different people are making millions on YouTube. Okay, as you're watching my video right now, I make money through this video that you watch. Okay, so if you do not have a YouTube account, you need to create one. If you need help on that, there are different ways, different people talking about how you can create a YouTube channel. And if you need one-on-one coach on that, you can also let me know on the chat. I'm going to respond to you. Okay, having a YouTube channel is very, very good for you to also make money online. And then there are different live streaming platforms that I've already mentioned on this my channel that you can actually make money from. Okay, so I'm going to be listing like my top 5 live streaming platforms that I use to make money here online. Okay, so number one on my top list is Popo. Okay, Popo Live. I make money using Popo Life. I already shown you guys different videos on how you can make money on Popo Life. And the second one on my list is Lollipop. Okay, I make money using Lollipop live streaming. The video is also on this channel. The third one is Hala. Okay, so if you do not know Hala live streaming platform, is very, very good. Okay, their games and everything is very good. So if you don't use Hala live streaming, you are wrong. Okay, and there is a way that you can actually be cashing out $10 every day from Hala live streaming platform. Okay, so go and watch the video and you are going to get started on Hala to make money. Then the fourth one on my list is Zimi live streaming platform. Okay, and then the fifth one on my list is Suva. Okay, Suva is actually the latest one that I have on my platform. Okay, you can actually make money using Suva live streaming platform, and there's a way you can also be cashing out $99 from Suva live streaming platform. Okay, so these are different ways you can actually make money online. Okay, if you do not want a physical store. Okay, then there's also what we call affiliate marketing. There are different affiliate platforms that you can actually join to make money online. Okay, so if you need different affiliate link, let me know on my chat. I'm going to make video on that if you need affiliate marketing platform. Then also let's go to physical, having a physical business. Okay, so if you are someone that want to run a physical business, this season is a season of giving. Okay, so you can actually sell hampers, sell gift items that can help you make money online. Okay, people that will love gifting this period of gifting, sell hampers, sell gift items and the rest of them. Okay, go into food businesses. Okay, food business also go very well this season. Okay, go into food business, it's going to also help you make money this season. Also, this is the season that people love to wear clothes. Okay, wear clothes and everything. Go into clothing business. Okay, you sell on different platforms, sell on your on Facebook, sell on WhatsApp, sell anywhere on TikTok. You can sell them on any platform. Okay, so go into clothes. There are people that are doing drop shipping, buy from wholesalers and then you retail it. Okay, this is also a good way for you to end this season. Okay, whether you want to start a real business or use online platforms, live streaming platform, or money making apps, this is the best time to start. The time to start is now. Okay, if you start now before December, you are going to be having millions in your account. Okay, so let me know on the chat which of these platforms will you be engaging in. If you find value on this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share to your friends. Okay, if you want one-on-one coaching, okay, I have my Instagram link on my bio, I have my Telegram link on my bio. Soon I'm going to put up my WhatsApp link there. Okay, but you can always chat me on Instagram. I'm going to respond to you if you need one-on-one coaching with me. Remember, my coaching class is not free. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Do have a blessed day.